Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Rama Ranjankar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Today I am going to explain practical 1 of embedded system named as Identify various pins of 8051 and AVR microcontroller. Practical significance. Microcontroller has wide application in electronic system needing real-time processing or control starting from domestic applications such as washing machine, TV and air conditioner. Microcontrollers are used in automobile, process control industries, cell phones, robotics and space application. These practical help the students to develop the skills to identify various pins of 8051 and AVR microcontroller. Program outcome are discipline knowledge. So in this, student will get the idea how to solve the broad-based electronics and telecommunication engineering related problems. Engineering tool in which student will know how to apply the electronics and telecommunication technologies with an understanding. Individual and teamwork. So let them get the ideas about working with team members or as a leader. And the lifelong learning. This will engage the students in lifelong learning activities in the context of technological changes. Course outcome of this practical is select the relevant microcontroller for various industrial application, and the practical outcome of this is identify the pins of 8051 and AVR microcontroller. Let's see the block diagram of 8051. So 8051 is originally developed by Intel in mid-80s. A typical 8051 microcontroller, also known as Intel MCS 51. So there are configuration of particular microcontrollers are as RAM is of 128 bytes, ROM of 4 kilobytes, two 16-bit timers, one serial port, 4 input-output ports, 8-bit data width and 16-bit address width. Since 8051 is called as 8-bit microcontroller. There are bunch of microcontrollers like Atmel, NXP, Texas Instruments who manufacture their own versions of 8051 microcontroller. So let's see the function of each block in detail. First is the CPU. CPU is called as brain of microcontroller, or it is called as a heart of microcontroller. Its full form is Central Processing Unit. It has two units, ALU and Control Unit. So ALU is Arithmetic Logical Unit, which is used to perform the various arithmetic as well as logical function. And a Control Unit is used to control the functions of microcontroller. Second block is a memory. So ROM memory. It is also called as a program memory or called as a code memory. ROM is used to store the CPU instructions only. A program into the memory will retain even if the power is down or the system is reset. The data memory. Next data memory is RAM. So RAM is of 128 bytes. RAM is responsible for storing the value of variable temporary data and immediate result for proper operation of microcontroller. RAM is a volatile memory and generally used by a register and user accessible memory locations. Now the next are input output ports. So 8051 consists of 4 input output ports. So these input output ports provide physical connection with the outside world. So these ports can be used, can be configured as either input or output. So depending on applications, we use these input output ports as an input or output. Next is a oscillator. So this oscillator circuit is used to generate a clock signal. Oscillator internal circuitry of microcontroller, and the user has to provide additional timing circuitry in the form of crystal. Next block is a timer 1 and timer 2. So these are the timers, and 8051 consists of two 16-bit timers, T1 and T2, and both are used to generate a delay. Now the serial port, serial communication between the microcontroller and other serial devices, and interrupt control block. These serial ports are used. So it has a two pins, transmit data and receive data. Now the external interrupt block. This block is used to control external and internal interrupts in 8051 microcontroller. Now all these blocks like program memory, data memory, timer, serial port, input output ports, interrupt control block and CPU all are interfaced together through a 16 bus. Let's see the pin diagram of 8051. So 8051 has total 40 pins. So pin number 1 to 8 are assigned to port P1. Pin number 9 is a reset pin, which is used to reset the microcontroller to its initial value. Pin number 10 to pin number 17 are used by port 3. So port 3 pins are also used for alternating functions shown in bracket here. Pin number 18 and 19 are used by crystal oscillator. So these two pins are used to generate the clock frequency signal. Pin number 20 is a ground connection. Pin number 21 to pin number 28 are used by port 2. Pin number 29 is PSEN bar, that is program store enable, which is used to read a signal from the external program memory. Pin number 30 is a ALE, that is arithmetic logic enable, which is used for demultiplexing data and address lines. Pin number 31 is EA, external access input, which is used to enable or disable the external memory interfacing. Pin number 32 to pin number 39 are used by port P0, and the pin number 40 is a VCC, high voltage pin. So this table shows the pin functions of 8051, which I explained earlier. Now this diagram shows the microcontroller development board. So here at the center CPU is present. Now these are the port P1s. These are the different ports. So this is input output port P1. Then this is port 3. Here right hand side port P2 and P0 are present. Now the crystal oscillator circuit is also available, which is used to generate the clock frequency. Microcontroller programming cable connection has shown here, and this is a power supply connector at the right hand side, as well as RS-232 serial data communication port is available for serial communication. Now let's see another microcontroller is AVR microcontroller. So AVR was developed in year 1996 by Atmel Corporation. It consists of 32 by 8-bit general purpose working register. It is a RISC microcontroller. ALU performs arithmetic and logical operation, and this microcontroller supports Harvard architecture. Now this diagram shows the pin connections of AVR microcontroller. Again, the AVR microcontroller is of 40 pin. Now 8051 and AVR microcontroller both are almost same, but in case of 89C51 port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3 are used. So here these ports are named as port A, port B, port C and port D. So again the pin functions are almost same. So reset pin is used to reset the microcontroller to its initial values. Crystal oscillator pins are used to generate the clock frequency. And in case of 89C51 we are using port 3 for alternate function. So here port D is used for alternating functions. Remaining functions are same. Ground, VCC are used as a power supply connections. So these are the pin functions stated here. Now this diagram shows the development board of AVR microcontroller. So again it consists of DC socket here, power supply switch. Now the central IC is ATmega, either 16-bit or 32-bit. This switch is also available in development board. 8-bit keypad is available. Motor is enabled. Motor output is also there, and the regulator IC is 7805, and this is a power supply connector. ISP connection is also there in AVR microcontroller development board. Now the resources used by these practicals are 8051 microcontroller, and the second one is the AVR microcontroller kit along with their specification. Now in observation we observe the pinout diagram for AVR microcontroller and list the various pins and write their function. So in pins, in pins, AVCC pin is used as a supply voltage pin for AVR microcontroller. A reference is analog reference voltage. Generally it is used a to D converter. Crystal oscillator 1 and crystal oscillator 2. So as its name indicate, these two pins are used to generate the clock frequency signal. And RxD means receive the input pin, and the TXD means transmit data. So these two pins are used in serial communication. So conclusion of this practical is we studied various pin functions of 8051 and AVR microcontroller. Thank you.